This is Rhonda from Fincastle Library, part of the Ballatock County Library Group. And we have a quick craft here. It's going to be a stocking stuffer, and we're going to need those pretty soon. And if you would take time to Google story stones, you're going to see some amazing examples of people have taken these little rocks and painted cute little pictures on them. And they're not detailed pictures. They would just be simple animals, flowers, trees. Here's a turkey. Now, I'm not an artist, so I had to find a shortcut. And my shortcut is to take my rocks and find some cute little stickers. These are actually Dora the Explorer stickers. And I'm going to just round this little fella off a little bit and put him on a stone like this. And then I'm going to Mod Podge him. So that he sticks down all the way. Sometimes the rocks have a little contour to them, so the stickers don't go all the way down. So it'll take a couple coats of Mod Podge to make these stones and stickers agree to behave. So there's the little monkey from Dora, and he's going to go on an exploration with her. And then we need, of course, we have to have Dora. So here's a sticker of Dora, and I'm going to round her off. Okay, everybody. So let's try it out. We have Dora, who went out for a walk one day and found her friend, and they ran into Olaf. Oh my goodness. And Olaf said, "Let me introduce you to this gentleman." Well, who is he? He has a circus and he has animals that have escaped. Oh my goodness, we're going to have to help find them. And then we saw a giant bird and a leaf who came running after the bird. What kind of story can you come up with? Come on, everybody, let's have fun with this. And I'll see you next week when I'm going to do a weaving project. I'm going to get back to fiber arts, which is one of the things that I love the most. So come back next week after you've had fun with your story stones, and let's see if we can't do a little weaving together with what we have on hand. Goodbye. Have a great week.